Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new Noir skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the sunglasses. So we're going to draw one line across, and this is going to be the bottom of the hat. So it's just going to be one long line first, and then from here we're going to draw the shades. So we're just gonna come down one, then we'll draw another one, just kind of semicircle. Okay, so those are sunglasses, and then now let's draw in his nose. So on the side here, just come down and you make a little bracket. And then I'm just gonna draw a little bit of angle, just connecting them on the bottom. Alright, so it's very cartoony. So from here I'm gonna draw his mustache. So come down and just draw one line across. And then we're going to angle it down, and then we're just going to come across again. So that's going to be his mustache, and we're going to finish off his mouth since it's going to be really easy. So it's going to have kind of like a semi-mean face. I'm just going to draw two little slants like this, as if he's got a frown on there. And then for his lower lip, I'm just going to draw one little line like that. Alright, so that's nice and easy. So let's finish off the side of the face now. So on the side of the glasses here, we're just gonna come down. Just kind of come down right around the mouth area. And then once you reach this point, just kind of come down with a slant. And we're gonna give him a nice big chin. Now just close it off. And it's got a little bit of a sideburn here, so I'm just gonna draw one little angle like this. Just barely see it on the side. And then let's finish it off with his ear. So right back up here, I'm just gonna draw a curve coming down. Okay, so that's pretty much the face. So now let's finish up this hat. So we're gonna come up here and we're gonna draw the length of the width of his glasses, just right on top. And now we're gonna finish off the bottom portion of the hat, which is gonna come out on each side, and then we'll just kind of connect the first line that we drew. Alright, so let's keep going up, and from the corner here, just gonna give it one section. It's got a little wrap here for his hat. Draw a little detail right there, and then now we're gonna taper it upwards in. Okay, so slant it in slightly, and then we're just gonna dip slightly. So just give it a little bit of curve, since it's cloth, so you don't want it too straight. And then from here, just draw like two little brackets going this way. Alright, so now let's move on to the body. So we're gonna come down here and draw his collar. So just come down right around here, right in the middle. You can make a little dot, and then we're gonna curve it. So this is gonna be his coat collar. So just come out and curve it and just go back, meet it in the center. Okay, and then from here now we'll draw the outside. So we're gonna start right here underneath this ear. We're gonna come out quite a bit on both sides, right around to here. And then now we're just gonna come in straight. Slant it down slightly, but just into that shape. Alright, so that's the top collar, and now let's draw in some of the detail in here on his shirt. So we're gonna draw his shirt collar here, two slants. And then we're gonna slant it this way. And then for his tie, we're gonna connect this. You just kind of come down, close it off. It's gonna be the knot on his tie. And then coming down here, it's gonna be his tie. And we can add a little bit of detail if we want, just to make it look like a fold. Alright, so now let's draw in the rest of the body shape first before we draw in some of the details. So we're gonna come out here, right around here, we're gonna slant it out. This is gonna be his shoulder. And now we're just gonna pinch it in all the way down to his waist. Okay, so once we come down here, just give a little bit of an angle like this, because that's gonna be kind of clothing tucked in into his belt. Alright, and then from here, now we're gonna draw his belt, come in, but leave a little bit of space, because we have to draw his big buckle here. So I'm just gonna draw one square. It's gonna be pretty big. Okay, and then to finish off the belt, we're just gonna come down, and then we're just gonna close that off back into the belt buckle. And then for the belt buckle, we can draw in, this one's easy, we just draw in another box inside. And then here's the little hook. Okay, and then on the side here, it's got some loops, and this one's got a flap coming down, but it's gonna be the same, so we're just gonna draw 2 lines for now. Alright, so now let's finish up the inside of this. So for his collar, we're gonna take this point here, we're gonna go this way. Okay, we're gonna slant this way, and then we're gonna come down. And then now for his coat, the collar here, we're gonna come down, and then we're just gonna go all the way across to there. And then for this other one, we're gonna come out this way, and then we're just gonna close it off. Alright, so now got his nice coat collar, and let's see us add in some detail. He's gonna have 2 buttons here. It looks like a button or a badge there. And then we can add in his pockets. Maybe just align and just come down with a little bit of angle. So come down, angle. Alright, so now let's draw in his arm. So we're gonna come here, here's his armpit, here's his shoulder. We're gonna come down all the way down to the elbow, right around here. Again, I'm just gonna add a little angle there to make it look like cloth. And then now we're gonna come down straight and gonna add a little bit more angle right there on this side too. Close it off. And then it's got a little bit of detail here. And now for his fist, so we're gonna come down, slant. Here's his thumb. Start over here. Here's the back of the fist. The rest of the fingers just gonna tuck in. Okay, so it's very simple. Alright, so now let's draw the other arm. So again, come across. Here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down. Use the other side for reference so you know how far down to go. And again, I'm just gonna add a couple of those little shapes, folds, and then we're gonna go down straight. Slight slant. Close it off, and then same detail here. And for his fist, again, start here, slant. That's his thumb. Back of the fist, come down, turn, and just tuck it in. And if you want to add in some more details here, we can add in some lines for his coat. Makes it a little bit more interesting. Look like he's got some folds. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the upper body. So now let's move down, and he's got this coat. So we're gonna continue with the coat, but we have to draw in, he's got a little wanted poster here. So just come down right here, draw one big slant. Just slant it in first, and then here's the pocket. Okay, and if you want to add in some detail on that, we can do that later. So now let's finish up the coat. So on this side here, we're just gonna slant down, and then on the other side, it's gonna be the same thing. We're just gonna slant it down around the same place. And then now we're gonna continue this line here because here's the coat opening, right? So we're gonna continue this line, come down, and just come all the way out, just slant it this way. And now we just close this off. And then for this side, we're gonna come in, leave a little bit of space, and then we'll just go up and close that off. Okay, and then he's got, let's see, he's got that little strap here. It looks like some kind of belt coming down. So we're just gonna draw 2 lines and just close it off with a slight angle. Okay, and then we're gonna continue. Let's see, there's gonna be some more buttons on here. So 1, 2, so same spacing as these 2. And then we're gonna draw 2 more down here. And it's got a little patch here. So just draw like a little box and then add in some lines right here. So for the stitches. And then let's see, it's got a little camera here. So this one's easy. We just draw a little box, rectangle. And here's the lens, just another rectangle. Okay, so let's finish it up with his legs, which is gonna be pretty simple because he's wearing slacks. So we're gonna come down, and again, I'm gonna add a little bit of these angle here. We're gonna close it off with a curve, and then here's the dome shape for his shoes. We're gonna have it come out more on this side. Then we're just gonna close it off, and then we'll add a little bit of sole. And then for the other side, gonna be the same thing. Just come down, again, a little bit of bracket here. Close it off with a curve, and then here's the dome shape again. Just come out more on this side. Close it off, and then a little bit of sole. And that is it for this Noir skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.